guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. All right, so today is Sunday, and today's date is 14th, right, babe? Yeah, I think it's 14th. Yesterday was 13th. Anyways, guys, so it's past 6 in the evening. All right, babe, check the time, please. To 7. So in the evening, all right. PM. Okay, so Mia is about to take her bath, or she's about to take shower. All right. So Mia is about to have
shower.
so Mia is about to
Shower.
all right. So Mia is about to shower. So they are singing with shower. So as you guys can tell in the previous vlog where I showed you guys, sorry guys, that's a box from wiggy.com. That's what they used in sending me hair. All right, so that's why it's there. So today I'm going to wash Mia's hair as she's about to bathe. All right, so as you guys can tell in the previous vlog, I went to DM to get hair product for her, so I'm going to use it on her today. Of course, I've tried the product before. It was amazing for me. I love the smell. So I don't know how, not really, I know how it does feel also on Mia's hair because I've also used it for her. But I want you guys to see how her hair, I mean the hair transformation, how it's going to look like. All right, so the thing is, I am not going to show her when she's bathing. Not going to show her when I'm washing the hair. You guys know she's still a kid, so the struggle to wash her hair because Mia is not a fan of hair wash. All right, so it's a struggle to wash Mia's hair. So I'm not going to film all that, but I just want you guys to know the products that I used. All right, let me take you to the bathroom so I show you guys right now. Bye there, come. Bitte mag die Licht an. From that. Danke. So this is the product, is by Pantene. All right, so this is it. So this is the shampoo, and I have a conditioner. I have a conditioner also. Let me just put this thing here.
Das sind doch beide gleiche, oder?
Ein ist wie heißt Conditioner auf Deutsch? Ich weiß nicht. Okay, so this is shampoo, and this is so this is shampoo, and this is conditioner, and I also got the hair mask, and this is hair mask. So I'm going to be using these 3 products on her hair, and then you guys are going to see the result afterwards. All right, so that's basically what I want to let you guys know. Definitely I'm going to take you guys along when I am blow drying the hair and all that, and I'm going to be using the new hair blow dryer the new hair dryer is what I'll be using. So this is how her hair is looking like right now. Like, oh Mia's hair is very, very, very beautiful. After it's washed, and all blown out, it's so beautiful. All right, I will let you guys see that later when we are done. So guys, she's done and she's ready to dry her hair. So I must tell you guys that product is really, really amazing on her hair. Though we've tried it before, all right. So I think I didn't really take a good notice of how good the product really is on her hair. But right now, guys, like, it makes her hair feel so soft, and it doesn't make it feel as if it's tangling, if that makes sense. So as you can tell right now, she has only took her shower, like and also washed the hair, and we haven't combed. But see how my fingers go through the hair without tangling, So that's really, really amazing about the hair. Like I told you guys, I used both the 3 products, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask, and it smells so good. Mia was like, oh, that's rich, so lekker.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to dry the hair, but before we do that, I'm just going to brush the hair. So please, I want to address something. Whatever you see me do with Mia, just know they are the things she likes, and she approves me. Oh, should you go? Sorry, and she approves me filming it. So if she doesn't and the father doesn't, I won't do it. So just in case you're wondering, or so I know you guys do not have a means to comment below our videos, on our family channel. So just in case you're having that thought in your mind, I just want to clear that these are the things she likes and she wants me to film it, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys. All right. So yeah. So as you can tell, as I'm combing it now, it's really free. It's really free, and with this, Mia won't give you palaver, like she won't stress you. But when when it's tangling and all that, she's going to be everywhere. So I will be using this hair dryer that I got recently on Amazon. That's what I'm going to be using.
Hast du jetzt schon gesehen?
There.
Den Föhn?
Yeah. Oh, it's hard. Voila.
Waliala!
Yeah, this is what we'll be using for Mia's hair. And Mia is going to be the first to try this hair dryer out. Okay. It's okay. I'm clean. See how cute this is? It's really cute. And it feels heavier. Okay, yeah. Wow. So. Ooh. So when you put it on, it shows this little like, oh, this is really power, huh? Super. And it's just on one. It's just on one, and it's really warm. I like it. Mia, come here. Yeah.
Wow, das ist ja mega.
Oh, that is hot again, huh? Oh, it shows light, red light.
Aber das ist kein Feuer.
Hey, it's kind of fire, Mia.
Das ist ja Elektro. Das Licht. Damit man denkt, dass wir Feuer haben, glaube ich.
I'm going to use this Balia oil serum, I don't know, just a bit, a tiny bit like this, so it doesn't look, just for a bit of shine, not so much.
Ist da Öl drin?
Huh?
Ist da Öl drin?
Yeah, das ist Öl.
Nur Öl? Nur
Öl.
Öl?
Yeah, for Haare.
Für Haare. Ich dachte, das wäre so ein echtes Öl.
Echt? Öl? Ja. Nein, das ist Öl für die Haare. Ja.
Das
Haaröl.
Haarmittel drin. Das ist Öl, aber nicht uns Essöl, sondern Haaröl, und da ist noch was für die Haare drin. Und gleich mit dem Oha, wie stark ist der? Ja.
Gib mir da. Cool. Magst du die? Ja? Magst du die? Ja? Oh, schick aus. Das sieht sehr schick aus, huh? So, yeah, this is it uh, for her hair, alright? Was sagst du denn? Was sagst du denn, Mia?
Du bist die Allerbeste.
Oh, du bist... Dankeschön. Okay. Cool. Okay. Zeig mal. Oh. 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 Mia. Ich kann nicht lachen. Okay. Okay, sag ciao. Bye, guys.